Alright, this is Ubaid on behalf of Electronics, and in this video we're going to be talking about the exchange process when it comes to the customers and the suppliers, for example. So we'll start off with the value proposition. Now, this is a concept where customers' needs or wants are stated. Okay, there's a statement, concise statement, trying to list as to what the customer's needs and wants are. Okay, it helps motivate customers to buy products and services. All right. Now, apart from that, as far as the exchange process itself is concerned, the buyer will initiate the exchange process. The buyer goes to the market, they will see something on the shelf that they want to buy, and they will start the exchange process. Okay, the individual who is willing to pay money or offer resources to buy a certain product on the shelf. Okay, this would be the definition for a buyer. Apart from that, because customer is the individual or business that makes the purchase. Okay, so customer, which is separate, okay, from consumer. The customer is not necessarily the consumer. The customer may buy the product for the consumer, but may not consume the product him or herself. On the other side, a consumer is the person, individual, or business that consumes the product. Okay, so if it's raw materials, it's possible that the customer may be one company, okay, that buys the raw materials from a supplier, and the consumer may be another company, let's say a subsidiary company, okay, with a factory location where they consume the raw materials to make the finished product. Okay, so that's the difference between customer and consumer. Okay, now, desired object is the product or service itself in the exchange process. Okay, the seller is the organization or individual that satisfies the need of the product, the satisfying product. Okay, the seller is the individual organization that sells the product. Okay, in this case, this would be a supplier, for example. And then obviously the value is the benefit in the exchange process that is brought to the customer or consumer, okay, in terms of the retail value over the cost of exchange. Okay, so you're talking about the profit in this case. Okay, so that would be it when it comes to the exchange process. On behalf of Electronics, this is Ubaid. Have yourself a great day.